Forgotten username recovery failed on Varo Fix. If you've tried to recover your Varo username and keep getting stuck, you're not alone. Many users see the same account not found message, but the surprising truth is, Varo doesn't use usernames the traditional way. Your login is tied directly to your email address, not a separate username. So when recovery fails, it's usually because you're entering the wrong email or your information doesn't match what's on file. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, open your email app and search for old messages from Varo. Look for subject lines like "Welcome to Varo" or "Account Alert." The address that received those emails is the one linked to your account. Next, go to the Varo app or website, and instead of "Forgot username," choose "Forgot password." Enter that same email and follow the password reset link. Once you reset it, you'll be able to log in directly. If you're still locked out, try another email you might have used during sign up. Many users forget they used a secondary account when opening Varo. Now, if none of your emails work, reach out to Varo customer service. You can contact them through the app's chat feature or by emailing support@varomany.com. Provide your full name, the phone number tied to your account, and the last 4 digits of your Varo debit card if possible. I'll verify your identity and restore your access. Also, make sure your app is up to date. Older versions can cause login errors or failed recovery links. Go to your device's app store and install the latest version before trying again. So, the fix is simple. Find the right email, reset your password and confirm your app is current. Once that's done, you'll regain full access to your Varo account in just a few minutes.